Hi everyone, welcome to Geek New Zealand. Today we will unbox and check 3 products from 12vesouth, which is the BookBook for iPhone 8 Plus and 7 Plus 3-in-1 leather case, the journal, which is an iPhone 8 Plus or 7 Plus all leather wallet case, and HiRise Deluxe charging stand. So let's get into it. Let's start with the BookBook case. 3 distinct features built with this wallet cum leather case. BookBook marries a wallet with an iPhone case, combining 2 you must-have items in one brilliant leather book. The wallet is made up of high-quality leather, which has 6 pockets including slots to put your bank and credit cards. There is a handy window pocket that lets you flash your ID when needed, and full-size pocket for cash, receipts, etc. It's a perfect wallet for today's digital world, letting you pay with Apple Pay where available. The second feature is it's 2 cases for the price of 1. Inside BookBook, your iPhone snaps into a protective shell with a quick slide to the left, and the shell lifts completely out, so you can leave your wallet in the locker and take your phone on a treadmill. Carry your phone wallet combo when you need it, or just your shell-covered iPhone when you don't. The slim shell is better suited for dashboard clips or charging stands like HiRise. As iPhones get bigger, a case isn't a case if it doesn't work as a viewing stand. BookBook has one. Use the stand for hands-free FaceTime, calling, watching movies, sharing your favorite YouTube videos with friends. You can also even prop the BookBook stand to use the self-timer to take some group photos. The second item on the list is the journal for iPhone 8, 7 Plus all leather wallet case. This is a full grain leather inside out. The journal is premium all leather wallet case for iPhone, not just a plastic shell with a card flap added. Full grain leather is not only used on the outside but throughout the interior as well. Your iPhone, debit card, driver's license, all are with you wherever you go with journal. Journal holds all of these items in a one stylish leather folio. Baked into wallet side of the journal are 4 card slots, an ID window, and a pocket for cash and receipts. The right side feature also incorporated leather lined shell that securely holds your phone. Combining your wallet and iPhone means one less thing to remember. This case not only owes style but also gives you all protection you need for your iPhone to keep it safe during your daily travels. One of the other cool features of journal is that you can make it a folio and into a hands-free display stand. The third item on the list is the HiRise Deluxe charging stand. It can be used to charge iPhones, iPads, and most smartphones. It elevates screen for hands-free desktop use and display. It has an adjustable support post. It fits most shells and cases. It does not block headphones, speaker, or microphones. It includes both lightning and micro USB cables. All 3 items from 12vesouth are quality gear and really good price. This modern wallet case and charging devices definitely make our life easy. Like always, I will post all the details about the product in the description of the video, so please do check it out. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe my channel, and keep sending me your review requests, and I will try my best to do them. Thank you.